There are many types of infections, including computer viruses, worms, trojans, rootkits, ransomware, and spyware. Often, several of these combine into one attack. One type discussed frequently this year is ransomware, which encrypts all of your files so that you lose access to them, then asks you to pay a ransom in order to regain access. But usually, despite paying, you never regain access to your files anyway. Malware continues to grow. This graph from AV Test shows the growth of malware over the years. On the left side is the total number of malware grouped by year. Now we're at a point where, on average, we see about 390,000 unique threats per day. Unique threats aren't extremely dissimilar. They're often changed in the smallest amount possible to evade detection. That could be one little part of the code or one byte of the application. Malicious threats are targeted in order to have a higher penetration rate or success rate. Malicious actors will research who they're trying to attack. Are they using the Windows operating system? What antivirus are they using, if any? Then, once they have that information, they can build their malware in order to penetrate into those exact environments. Once they're ready and their malware is successful, then they can deploy it directly to the target. Attackers are often specifically targeting businesses and industries. They're making sure their malware has the best chance to succeed in those places.